Dear Daddy, Daddy, if you know we are hungry and that we are very poor, it must break your heart in heaven because you never did insure. Mama wonder why you didn't see the sensitive away. You didn't buy insurance because you felt too strong and healthy. People say you were taken without warning, leaving us to fight alone. It wasn't that you didn't love us. I recall how dear you were. But your little child must suffer because you failed to protect her. Mama can't just make a living. She's wearing out, she said. I shall have to miss some schooling for the sake of daily bread.
Ang disgrasya, pagkaimbalido o tuluyang pagpanaw sa panahong hindi natin inaasahan ay mga posibilidad sa buhay na wala tayong kontrol kung kailan ito mangyayari sa atin. Pwede ngayon healthy ka, bukas makalawa, imbalido ka na. Pwede ngayon buhay ka, next month baka wala ka na. Ngunit sa pagkakataong mangyari ito sa atin, napakalaking dagok nito sa ating mga pamilya. Maaring itong sanhi ng kanilang paghihirap or pagkalubog sa utang. Kaya kung mahal natin ang ating mga pamilya, kailangan paghandaan natin ang mga posibilidad na ito sa buhay sa pamamagitan ng isang life insurance. Yes, life insurance ang sagot sa what-ifs ng buhay because when we die, our family needs to live. So sa Ping Life Insurance, tatlong bagay lang ang kailangan mong tandaan. Una, why do we need to buy life insurance? Kailangan maunawaan natin ang purpose natin sa pagbili nito upang makabili tayo ng tamang klase ng life insurance. Pangalawa, how much life insurance do we need? Magkano nga bang sapat na insurance para sa iyo at sa pamilya mo? At pangatlo, how to buy life insurance. Paano tayo makakasiguro na sa dinami-dami ng klase ng insurance sa market, anong swak sa iyo at sa pamilya mo? Yan ang i-share ko sa video na ito. I'm Katrina Andres, your financial educator and a proud member of IMG since 2014. Tara, usap tayo. Alright, so today we're going to discuss most 18 and most GRP or what we call the multiple option super term 18. So kagaya nga kanina sa video na napanood natin no sa introduction, what are the things that we need to learn in buying life insurance para alam natin na maximize yung bawat piso na inilalaan po natin para sa protection ng family natin. So sabi nga natin dun no, the first thing is why do we need life insurance? Diba? Bakit nga ba natin kailangan ng life insurance? Yan yung unang-una mong alamin kung gustong-gusto mong bumili ng life insurance. Okay? So the reason is because when we die, our family needs to live. Diba? So kung titignan po natin, it's really a protection. Kasi tignan po natin na we work hard because we love our family and we have big dreams for them. Pero, diba, we're doing all our best to give them the best life. Pero ano pong pwedeng mangyari pag bigla po tayong kinuha ni Lord? Which is hindi natin alam, di po ba? So, ano nga ba ang silbi talaga ng life insurance, Katrina? The reason is, isa po itong kalso. So that if something unexpected po ang nangyari sa atin, hindi po maghihirap ang pamilya po natin, di ba? Kumbaga, hindi po sila malalaglag sa poverty, but instead, mananatili sila sa comfortable zone or at least kung tama at enough yung mabili nating life insurance, baka po, no, mas magandang buhay pa yung pwede nating iwanan. So that's number one. Very important po yan na dapat alam po natin no the main reason, the main purpose. So dito marirealize po talaga natin that the main purpose of life insurance is not actually about may makukuha kang pera pagdating ng panahon, but of course it's more of the protection of your family. Alright? And number two, kailangan nating maintindihan is how much life insurance do we need? Kasi di po ba minsan, naku, meron na akong life insurance, Katrina, okay na ako. Pero alam niyo po ba, nung nag-join po ako sa IMG, 'di ba? Nung nalaman ko kung magkano ang kailangan ko, abay kulang pa pala ang life insurance ko. Kasi nung nag-join na po ako sa IMG, 3 na po yung life insurance ko at fully paid na lahat. So I thought I was okay. Pero nung nalaman ko, how much life insurance do I actually need para fully protected yung family ko, para enough na mag-replace sa income na inaasahan nila. Kasi 'di ba, if we are the breadwinner, yung pong trabaho natin, source of income income natin, yan po ang pinanggagalingan ng pangsustento natin sa family. At pag yan po ang nawala, kawawa sila. So yan yung pinoprotektahan ng life insurance, 'di ba? So now, magkano life insurance dapat ang meron ako? So simple presentation or computation po natin is your annual income times 10. General po yan, okay? So example, ang monthly income mo 20,000 times 12, that is 240,000 a year. Kung times 10 po yan, ang kailangan mo is 2.4 million coverage. Bakit, Katrina? Pag yung 2.4 million coverage po na ilagay mo sa investment that gives at least 10%, kahit mawala po yung source of income natin, bumabalik po sa pamilya natin yung replacement ng income na nawala kung tayo ay totally na permanently disabled or tayo po ay tuluyang kinuha ni Lord. Kung baga, andun pa rin yung inaasahan ng family. May magre-replace po sa income na nawala. Okay? Pero, kung gusto po natin ng enough protection to replace your income, yung pinaka-specific po na formula natin, you can use what we call the DIME method. Pag gusto nating mas accurate, okay? What is DIME? D stands for death, utang. So, ibig sabihin po, kung may utang tayo, ilagay natin magkano utang natin plus interest. Then, the income replacement, the annual income times 10. Then, kung meron kang mortgage, yung bahay mo, naka-mortgage. So, pag bigla ka nawala, babayaran yun ng mga kapamilya mo o anak mo. At the same time, yung pondo para sa pag-aaral ng mga bata. So, i-total mo lahat yon, yan yung kailangan mong protection. Kung may existing ka na pong life insurance, ibawas mo yon. And yun yung kulang mo pa. And number 3, eto pinaka-importante din, how to buy the right life insurance for you. O, 'di ba? Kasi hindi ka lang basta bili ng bili. Dapat alam mo din kung anong binibili mo. Dahil pag alam mo kung anong binibili mo, mamamaximize mo ang bawat pisong inuhulog mo dyan sa life insurance. Generally, there are two main types of life insurance. One is what we call the term insurance or unbundled. Ano ba ito, Katrina? You pay the insurance component only. It's pure insurance or term insurance. So, mura. So, may separate kang PDF kung gusto mo ng investment. Your savings is on your hands. Okay? Bakit? Kasi may flexibility ka na gawin yung difference ng premium mo. You can manage your money separately. So, when you do term insurance, you're following the concept of buy term, invest the difference approach. Okay? While there is this another type, we call it term insurance with savings or what we call the bundled. You pay the insurance and the savings. Okay? Your savings on the hands of the insurance company kasi bundled eh. Hindi mo pwedeng galawin, 'di ba? So, binabayaran mo, pareho 'yan, 'di ba? Now, the difference of premium, yung investment, hindi ikaw ang may hawak nun. Sila nagmamanage. Sila ang may say, 'di ba? So, hindi mo ma-DIY kasi bundled siya. So, ano yung mga examples po ng mga bundled insurance? These are the whole life, the endowment, or insurance policies with cash values, or pinakasikat sa ngayon po ay yung tinatawag po nating VUL. Okay? The difference is how you pay for it. Alright? So, tingnan natin, no, kung i-compare mo po ang bundled insurance, or these are the VULs, or the unbundled insurance, ito naman yung sumusunod sa BTID concept. Dito, bundled. Dito, separate. So, kung meron ka pong pera, alright, may 10,000 ka, or 20,000 ka, yung 5,000 napunta sa insurance mo, yung 15,000 difference, nasa kamay mo, or pwede mong i-invest na DIY. Okay? Dito po sa bundled, yung investment niya can go negative. Hindi po guaranteed ang return sa VULs or sa mga bundled insurances. While sa unbundled, guaranteed not to go negative. Okay? So, pinaka-minimum na pwedeng kitain ng unbundled po natin is yung published savings rates ng mga 3 big commercial banks. O, so, guaranteed hindi siya talaga magne-negative. Okay? So, may pakita po natin ano bang effect ng negative. Is a high chance of lapsation. No? Kasi mahal pa siya, ganyan. Diba? Plus, wala yung investment, hindi mo pwedeng pambayad ng premium. Okay? Dito, anti-lapsation because there is what we call the PDF. Here, if you want to get your investment, ang tawag nila doon, ilo-loan mo. So, may loan charges ka pa. Dito, yung investment mo, you can withdraw anytime. No loan charges. Okay? Dito, ang dami mong fees, no? Pag nag-top up, pag nag-withdraw, ang daming management fees. Dito, walang fees at all. Bundled are expensive, fixed and ang death benefit, while dito, affordable, increasing ang death benefit kasi may PDF. So, papakita natin sa samples natin later. Alright? So, ano yung product, Katrina, na BTID, na may investment na unbundled pero may life insurance protection? Alright? So, ito yung the most most 18 and the most GRP 3.0 or the multiple option super term 18. Alright? So kilalanin po natin yung product na yan by Manila Bankers Life. No? Sino nga ba si Manila Bankers Life, Katrina? Manila Bankers Life is established on May 19, 1967 by its founding chairman, the late Senator Gil Puyat. Diba? Delivers the most innovative life insurance products that will protect you and your family during times of need. Over 55 years in providing affordable life insurance products for Filipinos geared towards making better lives, no? So, ito po ay part ng Omnis Prosperity Group. So, the purpose of Manila Bankers Life is to provide affordable insurance para lahat po magkaroon ng pagkakataon, maprotektahan po nila ang family nila sa what ifs ng buhay. And of course, as you can see, Boy Abunda is our brand ambassador. Alright? So, ano nga ba ang most 18 or multiple option super term 18? This is an unbundled term life insurance with premium deposit fund. It allows maximum coverage at a minimal cost. For exactly the same amount of protection, most 18 is the cheapest type of life insurance compared to other life insurance products out there. The PDF may be used for retirement, pension, education, and other future expenses. Alright? Also commonly known as buy term invest the difference approach or BTID. Alright? There are 4 cornerstone of what we can say a good life insurance product. So, paano ko malalaman, Katrina, kung good life insurance product itong most 18 or kung ano man ang binibili mong life insurance? So, first that you have to consider, may growth ba? Kung may investment yung life insurance na binili ko, mataas ba ang rate of return niya? Ito ba ay may safety? Ibig sabihin, guaranteed ba yung investment kung hindi malulugi, hindi magne-negative? And of course, my death benefit and PDF may tax advantage. Diba? Whatever investment that you have there, may tax advantage. Whatever proceeds that your family will get, may tax advantage. Walang tax kumbaga. And of course, low cost protection. Mabababa ang premium niya. Diba? Pwede ko bang paghiwalayin yung investment niya at yung premium niya? O, diba? So, tignan po natin. Pag sa VUL po, yung normal na nakikita natin na life insurance na may investment out there, yes, may growth, malaki ang return, but there's no safety kasi wala pong guaranteed sa kanila. Pag negative po ang markets like normally, VUL means variable unit link. So, it is linked to the stock market. So, if the stock market goes negative, yung investment po nila nag-negative, pwede din mag-negative investment mo. Okay? So, walang guaranteed. Yes, they have also tax advantage, pero hindi po sila low cost. Mahal. Napakamahal. Alright? While, if you go for most 18, okay, most 3.0, may growth ba yan, Katrina? Yes. No? Malaki din ang return. 10, 12%, it could be. Diba? Safety? Yes, definitely. It won't go negative. Sabi ko nga kanina, at least publish, diba, na interest rate ng mga savings account ng mga 3 big commercial banks. So, guaranteed hindi siya malulugi. In fact, may kita pa kahit konti. Mamaya pakita natin yan, no? As a proof. And of course, may tax advantage tayo plus low cost protection. Pwede mong paghiwalayin ang premium at ang investment, ang PDF niya. Unbundled kasi. So, mababa ang ating presyo sa life insurance protection niya. Alright? Let's talk about safety. Bakit ano ba naman, Katrina, kung mag-negative yung market ngayon? Kung makakabawi naman, diba? So, tignan po natin. Ipapakita ko po sa inyo na ang laki po ng effect ng mag-negative markets, na ang investment mo dadaan sa negative markets. So, tignan natin na example, ito. Let's do some math, no? Mr. A and Mr. B both have 100 to invest. Pareho sila mag-invest ng 100 pesos. Who ends up doing better? So, tingnan natin, scenario 1, okay? Nung year 1, si Mr. A kumita ng 40%, okay? Nung second year, nalugi siya ng 20%. So, ang net na kita niya after 2 years is 20%. Si Mr. B, nung first year, 10% lang kinita niya. Pero the following year, hindi siya nalugi. In fact, kumita pa siya 10%. So, pareho sila, net ang kinita, 20%. Okay? Now, let's put some amount there. Kay Mr. A, yung 100 niya on first year, kumita ng 40 pesos. Okay? So, naging 140 yung yung value ng investment niya on the first year. Now, on the second year, nalugi siya ng 20%. What is 20% of 140? 28. So, ano yung value ng investment niya after 2 years? 112 pesos. But with Mr. B, 10% ng 100 is 10 pesos. So, yung value ng investment niya on the first year, 110. The following year, kumita ulit siya ng 10%. So, 10% ng 110 is 11. So, ang total value ng investment niya after 2 years is 121. O, diba? So, what does it mean? Pag dumaan po ng negative markets ang investment mo, halos doble ang hahabulin mo. While kung hindi ka nagne-negative, mas malaki ang potentials ng pera mo, lalo na sa compounding of interest. O, let's go scenario 2. Ito naman, Katrina. Year 1, kumita ng 50% si Mr. A. Pero year 2, 50% nalugi siya. So, ang net na kita niya, 0. Si Mr. B, first year walang kita. Second year walang kita. Net, 0 din. Pero when you use that sa investment nila, ito po yung outcome. So, mas mababa pa rin yung value ng investment ni Mr. A. So, see, it's very difficult na makakabili tayo ng investment na dadaan sa negative markets. So, that's why very advantageous po yung PDF ng MOST 18. Alright? Let's talk about the features and benefits of MOST 18 or multiple option super term. Okay? So, term insurance siya, very, very advantageous because lowest cost, cheapest type of insurance but gives maximum coverage. Tapos yung investment aspect niya is very flexible. It's a premium deposit fund, PDF. So, savings investment component, okay, earns interest every year. Has a floor limit. Your money will not go negative. Lowest is the rate equal to the interest rate of savings account of the top 3 local bank. Okay? 18-year coverage period. You are protected for 18 years. Kahit na nagbayad ka ng 5 years, 10 years, 8 years, 7 years, basta yung coverage mo 18 years pa din. O, diba? So, ang ganda. Alright? And then, renewable. You may renew your policy at the end of 18 years and before reaching the age of 60. So, mamaya pakita natin yan, no? And convertible to permanent plans din. Payment flexibility option. You have the freedom to choose the payment term that fits your budget and lifestyle. So, mamaya pakita po natin yung mga variants, diba? And of course, you can pay quarterly, semi-annual, annual. Alright? And eto, may accidental death benefit rider din po siya. So, provides cash benefit in addition to the policy's basic death benefit if the insured dies due to covered accident. So, kung ang cause of death is accident, halos dalawa po, no? Times 2 yung death benefit niya. Meron din po itong Payer's Death and Disability Benefit Rider or PDDB. If the insured is a minor and the payer passes away or becomes totally and permanently disabled, the remaining balance will be waived. So, ibig sabihin, say for example, no, yung anak ko yung insured, pero ako ang payer, nag-pass away ako or na totally or permanently disabled ako. So, para wala ng problema, yung minor, yung babayaran ko pang mga premiums, mawi-waive na lahat yun. Alright? May terminal illness rider din ito. Insured may apply for claim if the insured is diagnosed to have illness and life expectancy of 12 months or less. So, kung tayo po ay na-diagnose, we are the policy holder, na-diagnose po tayo ng terminal illness, okay, mag-a-apply po ito. So, pwede po natin ma-receive yung 50% ng ating coverage. So, in the instance of 1 million, 500,000 yung pwede nating ma-receive para makapagpagamot po tayo. Now, kung hindi tayo nakasurvive, yung remaining 500,000, ibibigay po yan sa family or sa beneficiaries kapag tayo po ay nag-pass away. Alright? So, that is terminal illness rider. May additional pa yan. May critical illness rider pa. So, on top of the terminal illness, meron pang additional 30% of basic death benefit to the insured. So, example, 1 million coverage, 30%. So, may additional 300,000 pa na pwedeng gamitin yung policyholder para makapagpagamot. This can help alleviate the expenses incurred by the family during ailment. Alright? So, ano yung mga covered critical illnesses, Katrina? O, ayan po, ang dami, no? Apalic syndrome, aplastic anemia, bacterial meningitis, benign brain tumor. So, lahat po nung nakalista dyan, covered po lahat yan as critical illness. Meaning, pag yan, isa sa mga yan ang naging sakit natin, applicable po sa atin yung rider na critical illness rider. Alright? Now, let's go to the rates. O, eto na po. So, imaginein mo, no? Ang laki ng benefit. These are annual premiums for a coverage na 1 million, okay? Basic death benefit, accidental death benefit, 1 million din. May terminal illness ka, around 500,000, and critical illness benefit na 300,000 plus PDDD pag ang insured ay minor. Okay? So imagine niyo po, no, at the age of, say for example, 25 yung kukuha, ang premium lang po niyan, lahat po yan, benefit niya, magkano? 6,877 lang. So kung may budget kang 20 mil, 6,877 lang mapunta sa insurance, the rest investment na. Or pwede mo nang ilagay sa PDF. What if I'm 30 years old, Katrina? 7,188. O, diba? 34 or 35, 8,790. 40, 11,756. So, di ba, ang baba, di ba? Ang laki ng coverage, pero ang baba ng babayaran mo. That is the advantage of BTID. Alright? So, tignan po natin yung returns, no, na most 18 natin, no, for the past years na dumaan tayo sa negative markets, dumaan tayo sa pandemic. 2018, ang Philippine Stock Exchange Index is negative 12.76. Negative din ang mga mutual fund companies. Pero ang PDF po natin, 3.880%. O, diba? Kumikita. 2019, positive po ang PSEI natin, 4.68. Pero ang MF, ang mga mutual fund companies, ang kita is 3.45, pero ang PDF po natin 4.20. 2020, pandemic, negative 8.64. Mutual funds, 8.25. Tayo positive pa rin, 1.60%. 2021, negative pa rin po ang PSEI. Konting positive na po ang mutual funds, pero tayo 6.30. So the following year, 2022, umakyat po tayo ng 8%. O diba? While all other VULs from the pandemic year, from 2020, madami pong umiyak. Diba? Bakit? Kasi nag-negative po ang investments po nila. Okay? So that is the advantage of our PDF. Mas resilient po siya when it comes to negative markets. Okay? So, Katrina, kanina mo pa sinasabi, most 18 and most GRP. What's the difference? Sa most 18 po, members of IMG and non-members may apply. Okay? Individual policy po kasi ito. Why? Because this can be availed within the jurisdiction of the Philippines. So, kailangan na sa Pilipinas ka pag kukunin mo ito kasi individual plan po ito. Insured will be issued a policy. So, eligibility age is from 5 years old to 60 years old. Yung most GRP naman po natin is exclusive for IMG members. Okay? So may group policy tayo, pero the insured will be issued a certificate of coverage. Okay? So sometimes we wanted to avail life insurance, 'di ba? Pero pag OFW tayo, kailangan umuwi pa tayo ng Pilipinas, gustong-gusto mo nang i-protect yung family mo, 'di ba? So nasolusyonan po 'yan ng IMG because of the most GRP. Yun lang, you really need to be part of IMG to get the most GRP. Kailangan member para maging part tayo ng group. Okay? While because the group policy is nandito sa Pilipinas, dito pinirmahan ang kontrata. So tayo as a member of the group policy, meron tayong certificate of coverage. So the content of the policy for the most 18 3.0 and the most GRP, pareho lang po yan. Okay? But since member ang kailangan po sa most GRP, ang eligibility age po natin is from 18 years old. Kasi hindi po pwedeng mag-member sa IMG ang below 18. Alright? Now, let's go to the 7 variants of the most 18. So, una is we have the budget-based, we have the target-based, we have the return of contributions, graduation gift, education, we have the pension, and we have the retirement. Ano-ano yung mga yan, Katrina? Meaning, napaka-flexible po ng most 18. Pwede mo siyang i-design as budget-based or target-based or return of contributions or graduation or education, pension, retirement. Okay? So, isa-isahin po natin yan. Okay? So, ang example na details po natin, si Juan de la Cruz, 30 years old, magbabayad siya ng annual, alright? Kukuha siya ng 1 million coverage. Okay? So, based on that details, gawa tayo ng proposal for each variant. Okay? So, ano yung budget-based, Katrina? This variant allows you to design a proposal based on your budget. No, Katrina, kailangan ko lang protection eh. Ayoko nung investment. Siguro mag-i-invest ako kung ano lang yung kaya ko. O, ganon. This is a DIY approach for you to have an insurance coverage and at the same time, maximize the PDF feature without having to worry about spending too much or going beyond your budget. Okay? So example po, ito. Okay? Si Juan de la Cruz, 10 years to pay daw niyang kukunin. Ang kanyang protection ay 1 million. 'Di ba? Ngayon, kung ano lang yung kaya niya, ito yung kanyang contribution per year, okay? And then, ang total contribution niya lang 103 for 18 years. Pero protected siya for 18 years, pero 10 years lang siyang nagbayad, 'di ba? So, yung sobra-sobra sa binayad niya, napunta na sa PDF. Kahit papaano, meron siyang projected na magiging return, 'di ba? So, pag siya ay namatay, hindi lamang yung kanyang 1 million ang makukuha, pati yung investment makukuha ng family nila. Alright? Now next, let's go to target base. Ano naman tong target base? This variant allows you to design a proposal that will provide insurance coverage and ensure that you will get back all your contributions at the end of 18 years. This will help you know how much you will need to pay for a specific goal amount. So, ibig sabihin, meron kang target amount na investment. Okay? So, example natin dito, ang target niya is magkaroon siya ng 1 million mahigit na investment. Tapos may 1 million din siyang coverage. So, payable daw in 10 years, ang kailangan mong i-contribute is around 376,140 or 37,614 every year. So, ilan ang magiging outcome? On the 18th year, may 1.3 million siya. Kasi yun yung goal niya more than 1 million. Tapos, may life insurance na 1 million. So, kung dyan po siya inabutan, 2.3 million ang makuha ng family. Hindi siya namatay. He will get this as a living benefit, yung 1.3 million niya. Alright? Now, let's go to return of contributions. This variant allows you to design a proposal that will provide insurance coverage and ensure that you will get back all your contributions at the end of the 18 years. This makes your policy virtually free. O, 'di ba? So parang magko-contribute ako, Katrina, pero gusto ko lahat ng binayad ko babalik din sa akin, tapos may coverage pa ako. O, 'di ba? So tignan natin. So dito naman, okay, ang total contribution niya is 119. 10 years din daw siyang nagbayad. Yung total niyang kinontribute, bumalik lang din sa kanya. Okay? And meron pa siyang 1 million coverage. O, 'di ba? So let's go naman. Pang-education, Katrina, ang gusto ko dito, kaya gusto kong kumuha. So the education variant allows you to design a proposal that will provide you insurance coverage and help you create a fund that your child's college education. Okay? Tapos, pwede din mo siyang i-design na hindi lang education. At the end of the year or at the end ng kanyang term or natapos siya, graduate siya, may graduation gift pa. Okay? Yung education niya is nakapeg ito at 15% increase every year. So, di ba naka-design din siya na, ang education, hindi naman yan iisa lang. Pagpasok mo, yun na yun. Nag-i-increase ang tuition fee every year. So, finactor in din po niya yung average na parang inflation when it comes to tuition fee. Alright? So, eto siya. 'Di ba? For example, ako, kinunan ko yung anak ko. Ito yung babayaran ko. Okay? Pero, pag 18 ng anak ko, ito yung mga withdrawals. Kasi ang nilagay natin na target na education fund na i-withdraw niya every year is 300,000. So, since nag-i-increase yan ng 15% every year, so on the second year, 345 ang kanyang mawi-withdraw, 396, 456 on the fourth year. 'Di ba? So imaginein mo, no, ito lang yung nilagay mo, pero ilan yung pinakinabangan ng bata? More than 1 million po, 'di ba? Yung pinakinabangan ng bata. Tapos, may natira ka pa o may graduation gift ka pa. Tapos meron kang protection na 1 million. O, 'di ba? So kung dito ka inabutan, yung family will get 1 million plus the PDF. O, 'di ba? Ang cheap po. Pwede. Okay, so what about, ang gusto ko, Katrina, mag-pension ako eh. Gusto ko kumuha ng insurance para pang pension ko. This variant allows you to design a proposal that will provide insurance coverage and a lifetime pension fund for you. You may withdraw this from your PDF every year. So, tignan po natin example. So, 10 years kang magbabayad. You're 30 years old. Okay? So, ang total na binayaran mo for 23. Alright? Pero covered ka for 18 years. So, may naipon yung PDF mo. So, dito, pwede mong i-renew kasi pang pension nga eh. Hanggang dyan lang yung gusto kong bayaran, Katrina. Pero ito, pag hinayaan mo, mare-renew yan, i-renew mo yan for another 18 years para hanggang pag-retire mo. So, wala ka nang babayaran, magre-renew yan, automatic. And what happens? Pagdating ng 65 years old niya, kasi 30 years old siya, 'di ba? May 1 million siya na pension fund, 'di ba? Tapos ang nilabas niya lang na pera 423. Then since hinayaan na niya yung pera niya lumago, aside from 1 million na pwede niyang i-withdraw na, 'di ba? Meron pa siya ditong 11 million na magiging lifetime pension niya na pwede niyang i-withdraw every year. O, 'di ba? Yung sarap, 'di ba? Ayan, 11 million, 'di ba? So what else? Retirement. This variant allows you to design a proposal that will provide for your insurance coverage and will also give you a lump sum retirement fund. So kung yung kaninang pension is staggered na wini-withdraw, ito naman lump sum ang gusto. Kaya, mas maliit din ang premium. Okay? Ni-renew niya din, no? After the 18 years. So, lump sum na 1 million lang daw ang gusto niya. Wala nang iba. So, napakaliit lang ng premium niya. So, at the end of the second term, may 1 million siya at the age of 65. Tapos, meron pa siyang life insurance coverage na 1 million. Diba? So, it's very flexible. It's very cheap. You can really use this to build the funds that you would want in the future. Okay? So, how to apply? Very easy. You just contact your SMD or your sponsor or trainer to create a MOST 18 online application form for you. Fill out the created application form ensuring all details are correct. Then upload one valid government ID. Payment, pay the premium plus a one-time lifetime policy fee of 500 pesos plus the minimum of PDF. Ibig sabihin, say for example, budget base ako. Ang life insurance premium ko lang, Katrina, ay 6,000. Example, pag unang bayad mo, dadagdagan mo yun ng 500 policy fee plus 6,000, automatically mapupunta sa investment mo yun. Okay? Then wait for the approval of the policy to be sent to your registered email. Alright? So, going back sa ating financial check-up, 'di ba? Sa base ng ating finances, anong kailangan natin? Long-term healthcare and of course, life insurance. Itong dalawang ito ang number one na very important sa atin, lalo na kung tayo ay breadwinner. Long-term healthcare to protect yourself. Life insurance to protect the what-ifs of life and your family. Alright? So, again, no? So, IMG's access to major providers. So, syempre, Manila Bankers Life ang provider po natin when it comes to life insurance. Okay? So I hope we learned a lot today. So for free financial coaching seminars, please do contact us in our details dito po sa aming YouTube channel. Pero if this video is being showed to you or sent to you, referred to you by someone, kontakin po natin yung nag-share ng video na ito sa iyo. Pero kung nakita mo lang ito, please don't hesitate to contact us. Alright? So, to close this, eto lang. You don't buy life insurance because you are going to die, but because those you love are going to live. No? So, we're buying life insurance for the people that we love. We should buy life insurance for such purpose so that we will be able to maximize our money. Alright? So, God bless everyone.